Hello दोस्तों, today I am at the one of the project which is on Thanisandra main road, launched almost 5-6 months ago, and they are having a very good experience into the industry. They did many projects, but not on that way. And that way means like they are doing a premium property. They have done a worth of more than 8 crores 9 crores of the projects also as an unit. So this is basically on Thanisandra main road, and again it's a premium development, and giving you the option of 2 and 3 and 4 BHK. The price points what they have, it's very reasonable and very competitive from the market, having option of like 2 3 4 BHK and 2.5 also. This is something the site office, and it's very close to the Bhartiya city and bang on the Thanisandra main road. If you guys are really interested to buy this, it's gonna be a very good options with the like, I can say it's a plus point onto it. And apart from that, there are many options I can say into it. Like, it is of course good for a living because it has a more than 80% of the open space, and also having more than the amenities which should you look into. And price point again, USP of this project, having a lot of amenities, and this is gonna give you the something very good mileage in terms of the market appreciation. See, market may, if you see the price going on almost in this area 10 to 12,000 rupees per SFT, but here you will get lesser than that. It is almost, as compared to the market, is very lesser. And the price what you are having over here below 10,000, it is my one technology, and going to give you again a very good quality of the construction. That is the construction going on, and this is also going to give you something. It's a high rise, and the premium and the luxurious, the what you have into it. So my like suggestion for this is, like, of course you should consider it. And they have uh, uh, all approvals. They have done RERA, they have done VVMP, they have done everything. So it is a khata property. After OC you will get a e khata also once you register the property. Then this is again a very good option into the this location. So if you guys are really interested, I wanted to buy this, so you can reach out to me, and I'll be very happy to assist you at the site. And our team will be there to support you in terms of all the visits. We have all the facilities over here. We have our model house ready. We have marketing office ready. The construction is already started. The price, as I discussed you, is very comparable or reasonable in the market. And it's a high rise G plus 24 floor, G plus 20 to 21 floor structure. And then you have a 2 3 4 BHKs as an option. The price point, again I'm coming to the price, it's very reasonable. And the amenities are, all amenities are there. Indoor games, outdoor games. You have big size of pool. You have a clubhouse which is separately from the building. Again, it's gonna give you the very premium look. When you enter to the property, you will have a clubhouse on the right hand side. So this is something the property. And if you guys are really interested, reach out to us and subscribe to our channel for more project videos. Thank you so much, guys.